Thanks so much for this opportunity. Come on, you both came because of us, not the political activists. All these people mention their names here and there. They are the reason why we are suffering today. Please, thanks be to Johnny's back. I've been watching Johnny, and kudos to Johnny for the best job that he's doing for Ghana. Look, nobody will throw dust into our eyes anymore. So our eyes are now open. It is not what you come and defend over here. It's what is going to change our minds. So I am not for NDC or NPP. I'm speaking as a Ghanaian. What I'm feeling is what I'm telling you today. Look, we are no more going to be like this, like that. Look, in this country called Ghana, sometimes I pity myself being a Ghanaian. Why am I saying so? If this is how best our own people can rule us, mommy, I feel pity. This is how best our own people can rule us.
What is your problem exactly?
My problem is that instead of them to think about us, they are all there for their selfish gains. Look, they came and mentioned their names. I am consecutive this, executive that. I said, what impact? What impact? See, when you come here, please talk to the people who are feeling the reality on the ground. Obiba, I was here at this castle and you're coming here. And then what are we saying? We are even making fasting. Fasting, I hear. What kind of life is this? Shameful leaders. I don't even want to be called leaders. I don't call them leaders because leaders listen to their followers. You understand? Leaders listen to their followers and not what they are doing.
Meka say when America ni P 2024 a last chance Ghana for them both NPP and NDC. NDC has failed Ghana. NPP has failed Ghana. Hello, I Xposed H from Bembros. You my dear friend, me ye GHANANII. Once ye GHANANII ana. Eno na ya bisa ebi mu says na say omu hu say me NDC new say me obi kra say me NDC ni ene comment video obi say me NDC ni na am say there be o. You see, Ghanaians, until ya dream besipi say whatever we do, the supreme interest should be Ghana. No, we won't go anywhere. Eya sama maka enye NDC breso na mkan e na enye NPP breso every time. Because a Ghana ndi ye, me ndi ye. Me mansu ndi ye. Ese Ghana ndi ye, na me ma di ye, na me di ye. Enye NPP NDC. Na when na NDC NPP omo ye program bi. Ena papa bi ko. Na me se wo hwe se na wato tuama NDC ni NPP for na. Asam no kan mom de eye trodo. Yenko ni enko ti asam ne mra ne ba me bo ma adwen na so abo wadwen.
Thanks so much for this opportunity. Come on, you both came because of us, not the political activists. All these people mention their names here and there. They are the reason why we are suffering today. Please, thanks be to Johnny's back. I've been watching Johnny, and kudos to Johnny for the best job that he's doing for Ghana. Look, nobody will throw dust into our eyes anymore. So our eyes are now opened. It is not what you come and defend over here. It's what is going to change our minds. So I am not for NDC or NPP. I'm speaking as a Ghanaian. What I'm feeling is what I'm telling you today. Look, we are no more going to be like this, like that. Look, in this country called Ghana, sometimes I pity myself being a Ghanaian. Why am I saying so? If this is how best our own people can rule us, mommy, I feel pity. This is how best our own people can rule us.
What is your problem exactly?
My problem is that instead of them to think about us, they are all there for their selfish gains. Look, they came and mentioned their names. I am consecutive this, executive that. I said, what impact? What impact? See, when you come here, please talk to the people who are feeling the reality on the ground, not who come and defend their political whatever. That is not what we need in this country. We need people who will change our lives, who have impact on us, not these countries. Mommy, look at us.
Now you have
when you move from here to Kaneshi, look at the people selling in the traffic. They'll come and beg us. They'll come and beg us. But yet they will be living in their these V8, moving around, and they'll be watching them. Madam, we are those people who give you the mandate. We give you the mandate. Get to know that you are our servants, not our masters. But today, what do we see? We see them rather enjoying. What kind of life is this?
All right.
What kind of life are we living? Look at Kolebu Road, a whole Kolebu.
All right.
Mommy, a whole Kolebu Road. from the traffic to what do you call it, the post office. They cannot do anything. They cannot even turn it. And when the ambulance is coming, today people die because of 300 cities, because of 400 cities, that they cannot afford to buy medicine. What kind of life is this? Abba, it's very unfortunate. But please let me talk. But thanks to Johnny's bike, today you have opened our eyes, and we are going to go by that. Hey, the power belongs to you and not them. If truly they are here to help us, Obiba, I see it is castle and so comedy here. And then what are we saying? We are even making fasting. Fasting I hear. What kind of life is this? Shameful leaders. They are not even want to be called leaders. I don't call them leaders because leaders listen to their followers. You understand? Leaders listen to their followers and not what they are doing. Kudos, Johnny. I salute you once again for this opportunity. Money, when you come, talk to the people who are on the grounds, not these political activists. I don't like them. I don't want to see them here. Because if they really think about us, mommy, they will not come and defend the defendless. Something I want to defend it is not. Look, I've been watching TV3. Today, they said they will not even bring their representatives to come and represent you people at the place. Yet, they are here to defend the defendless. Tell them the right. Let them go. We don't need them here. It is these people that are supposed to talk to them. Thank you very much.
So, your marshal, someone who send your GHANANII kasa. Or say what you need to lessen is the grassroots. Omo akomodi omo. Enye NPP ni, enye NDC ni. Ne GHANANII ni ene ne kasa. She meka se mo na meka ni pi. 2024 a last chance Ghana for them both NPP and NDC. The two main political parties. And no na metio, Mr. Parliament, no more ka. Na parliamentary say yenhwe yi ona, ni esi o Kenya na say yes, a wake up call. NDC has failed Ghana, NPP has failed Ghana. Now, this is the last time Ghanaians will vote. I'm telling you. Okay? And you'll be the created tell for us no. Samu Nima, my main from South Africa, and the ruling party ANC, Ejija. And then conform winning power a combination of small parties. No, my boom. Because for a long time, no, ANC became what? Corrupt. No, my corrupt. I will show my share. Now, population in Trump say, we own the power. It's a next South Africa. And yet ANC ne rule beam. A combination of what? Parties. Nienti make us say NPP NDC. This is your last chances that Munina mu di Ghana ho fell. Mu di ya ho fell. Mu di ya munim. Adina esa mu yen babu pesa mu ye. That is the fact. Mu di ya bobo. Na beti money so. A beti money so one time. Because after 2024, say NDC never NPP never manye bibi papa. I'm Ghana for trust me. 2028 mo de abani ba kosi obi anto. Ya beto kura na ya nto mamo. So it's for your own interest. Some two parties no. We make a meeting. Now my catcher mo say enough of the stupid things that you are doing. It's time to do Ghana well. One nye Ghana ye. Mubo say nipa adwen asesa. Enti na me video me say this is the last chance for NPP and DC. This is your chance. This ye wiemu. Because eniyama esamo ye munye basic necessities, right? Like food, clothing, shelter. And again anybody dia, say nobody di. And munja esamo catch say COVID and the Ukraine, there is a son of it's not happening. Government is not. Nansenya Ministry of Trade and Industry. Almost 2 deputies. Also made the 3rd one. Hey, look at the size of the government. And you claim say you have Ghana at heart? No, I beg your pardon, Mr. President. You don't. Because if you have Ghana at heart, Ghana said we don't need more than 40 people to rule this nation. It's a fact. And you see, there be a say, Once in your branch and any umbrella. People are suffering. That is the reality. Kofo suffer. One send ya abemuwa nenia bro kasano. Onia grow. And there are countless millions of people like this who are what? Frustrated. Frustration will bring you so many vices. Samube tie mi a ebeboa nyina. Me ka say okoba no but speed no journey wo Kenya no. Oba na san for meeting. Above NPP and is not kind of say massa. Baby ade na du no. People are waking no. Jimmy no atiefie ni so. The excuses should not be what entertained. What do they have? Why have they been able to build? Nyame we shida Ghana. Okay, resources and we have it. Both manpower and what? Natural resources. So Bisao say, why is Ghana still suffering? Because of what? Corrupt and visionless leaders. That is why we are suffering. Right from our first president. Because your vision, not incorruptible, and Ghana would have been a paradise. Minim sa kunyam ko tnaso wi a na bibio enye sa so de Duncan Williams ne asofo no munkonam ko bompa ye makunya no because minim nyetia obi ba adwene wo okotena sa kunya no so pa na adwene asesa adai enne GHANANII aga no bi sore ye ka oti na nkofo bu utimi ka kire e tro paper mu say you are looking for a job maid servant wo be so na nkofo 2000 dida get ano made. Ya for Ghana memburu anyway near the one go Dubai. Na memma ni omo da na bi ko toilet go Ghana fo anum. Because our ha only anything to even do. Sure. Ewiase na ye wo no. Ubetimi agibwi obi ene. But ochena untimi ngidim bi engimi ni biem. Sanya branch ya neka no. Ose niamoka no is not about NPP NDC. And nothing na more kasa no say hey the way kasa dey say and I don't care. I don't care. Say Domama basu no hear this I will talk. Because the bottom line is that until the politicians said this is the right way to do. Near Bekano, they won't stop. So 5 to 10 is on my mind to keep quiet. No, we are tired. It's time to say and see and do something for Ghana. Ghana has been bleeding, and then every aspect of the economy is down. That is the fact, Mr. President. Someone wants and someone can crunch on me catch now. The economy is down. And then you are the main person. Some of us, when him campaign as a serious campaign, by yourself, the first thing you have to do, Mr. President, is to downsize your government, downsize it. You be film because someone you share. A great minister on and told back of ICDs no. Look at the price of fuel. Look at the city. Don't tell me, say, a idea it goes on. And anything here to Obama to stop it, to stop the trend. It is say, the same thing here. Then you know, because on office, 3 cities, 66 what pesos. And then, how much is cedi? 15 cities to the dollar. What a shame, Ghana. What a shame. From 3 cities, 66% to 15 cities, and you are telling me I should clap for you? Oh my God. This country is on its knees. You're bleeding. And people are beginning to see the signs of what some of us are saying. It also I would hear me. Forget about your NPP, NDC. I don't care. I care about Ghana. Because only NPP, NDC, they will come and go. but Ghana will be Ghana. There was CPP, UP. Where are they? They are gone. And then, but Ghana is still alive. Until me know yenye bibi ma Ghana. Ninja say your parochial interest into what we will get today is what we need. Sikana ye pre no ye de koye de. Sikana ye wia na ye de establish outside. No broni be as when we sika de ba Africa da. Ye jimie. Ye wie sika ni ye de kwa abrochire. Ejimie, ye jimi. Obroni nye sa da. Obroni oba fofi ha no de akonkurom. Sometimes you boys you can some you abafu yasanke ye. Because you see you do crossroads, you do timer as a Ghana DJ. Come say na ye share ni na this is the moment. But I can't pa or the backup promise land no. As the election gears on, one advice I have for the youth: don't let us be violent. Obi ba mate anra na fifi kwete wo gina so na wo kasa na say papa some tricks we ya about one ba so a mumu incite violence no ye twam abato nya wo abato ye mekoche ma adwen na so akere wa adwen bo wa adwen na me mama adwen ye kwato abai wo ye babunu a ne yesa wo dwen ho ye wo daache forget about the political party omo ko ma se ma hwe ne babuo ne amwa ne ni akire and more before 5 6 in medada and the politicians in this time mo say nia mo campaign ya ye say go for ni machi e go for ni machi so mo ko bia ni machi manim na twa o no e be yes as in say someone sorry na man ye Ghana yi a I expose you FM Ben Bruce u sham na from ya mejo so o subscribe no bi su nya bi manuesi bye bye.